Sorry if you get bored. Look, that's what I'm trying to do in there. Well, that's what I'm trying to do in there. And this, across the board, is what I'm going to be doing with said welder. So there we go. Now, we've got the idea of plug and screw them up and whatever, I don't know, but we're do it, we're getting there. Got to do a little bit of a plate for here, which is nice. He's going to come down there. That's pretty impressive. It's wider, so that's not any use. I've got to say, we had a bit of a big heave there on that, and then I've come to a bit of ground hot with it. So I think what I'm going to do is probably turn you off. Turn y'all off. And then what I'm going to do is I will come back to you when I've made a bit more of an inroad. It's hard work, but it's coming on. It's coming on. I'm going to require to get this bit in here done. Get those ready some cups up and back, then I can get the thing back down and stand, I suppose. Maybe that'll be a bit better idea. Yeah. Alright, and so, for the benefit of myself, I'm probably going to start trying to do some welding now. So I probably will turn you off and let you prevent, because you probably don't want to see it. That's right. If you do, you must be masochist. Anyway, I am quite happy with it. Right then, Fred. Let's have a cup of tea. Oh dear. When I finish this, I'm going to start. Sorry. Right. Okay, so we've had some motivational liquid. We've had motivational liquid. We've got the earth clamp untangled from the said electrical wires. We've got the grinder welder, and it's funny. We put them over here out of the way for a minute, right? Because we don't know where it goes. If I have to cut anything, then I'll be cutting it with the grinder. Anyway, so right, just a quick update. Updates. Well, we're done. We've got that. We've done this. We've done that. We're boxed up. We've done that. We've ended that. We've got this. We've stuck that. We've run out of. Broke the nozzle off. Anyway, another story. We've made a plate. We got this. This is going to go back into there, and we're going to put our radius arm cut back on, and we're going to weld that. Then we're going to cover that over, and then we're going to put a piece down right inside there just to trim that off. And then laver off. We're going to have to do something. I'm losing the will. I know you said it before, but you just got to keep at it. It's hard work, I tell you. It's not easy work. It's not easy. But that's pretty good. That's going to be good enough on the back of there. Then I got to sort out this here. This is my next job. Finish this, get this on the top. Then I got that there, this tack for this outside, because that's quite thick. I get a decent one. If we could get it higher up in the air, which is a minute mission, but anyway, with that. But at the minute, we're just going to try and stick the chassis leg back in. So we'll probably just do a bit of chassis leg sticking back in this. Whether you're going to be able to see any of it, I don't know whether you want to do one. Do you want to see any of it? Here we go. Have a look there. See what you think. Right. I've got to try this. So have a look, see what I'm doing. This is a bit of one of those. Okay, so that's done and tacked. We've done the bits inside, which are done and tacked. Not going to be. So the next thing is the bit at the front. So I don't want to do this by a little bit. It's to get moved and unplugged. Right, gloves, 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 gloves. Oh, look at that for a light. This is some little Bibles. I don't know where they come from, but there's something. Hey. Anyway, right, I'm gonna. I don't know if you can see that there. Or you can't. I don't know if you can. I'm trying to do something. I want to go a little bit more. This. Maybe because I do this. Right. Okay. Now, the next bit is going to be the hard part. So, let's do it. You can see what happened there. That's pretty good. Impressive. Yes, this is the next piece here. We're not bad. We're not bad. We've got to do a bit of repair up under there, but I think what we'll do is we'll sort of call a halt. Oh, forgot I only made that front piece. Such. Okay, so I'm going to tap that in and then I'll come back to that. So I'm going to shut it off for a second. I think. I don't know. I need to get in there and get that crap out of there. But yeah. Then obviously we'll soon know anyway. But that's my next mission. So I'm going to hang you up now and say hold on for that.